TIAN Technology Innovation Hub on autonomous navigation. You have been inaugurated. We are so much happy. We made a very good prototypes.
Where are you based out of?
Hyderabad.
So IIT Hyderabad.
That was
You have been?
Yeah.
Sir was inaugurated.
I used this autonomous. I was.
Yes,
Yes, sir. You were in the
vehicle.
same vehicle, sir.
No, I was in this one.
Yes, sir.
It's an autonomous one.
They have three kinds of
But the
buses.
point is, I think you need to also make it a little more refined in the sense that at the mere indication of an potential obstructing object,
Correct.
it stops. The only point is that it tends to stop at the slightest indication of a potential obstructing object, which of course is good from the point of view of safety and security, but sometimes it is avoidable.
Which is an agentic AI that can help you give you response to your queries not only for based on the policies and documents, but also based on your enterprise system, your data, as well as SQL systems. And it also includes a machine learning where you can do forecasting and prediction. So this is your one spot system which is meant for the insurance system.
So it's
and
more
the
of
underwriters.
health entrepreneurship, or also into therapeutics.
So this we can use in multiple domains. Currently we're using in the insurance sector, but this can be used across all the domains because all these
All
systems,
domains like.
healthcare, in hospitals you have got medical reports, you've got certain medical.
No, that of course you can design or program AI to perform anything.
Yeah. And then we've got, so this can be used for everyone who has got enterprise data and policies, and you'll get the answers. And
But
then
right
you've
now,
got
what I was trying to ask you, you are now right here. You are using it mainly for insurance,
for
is it?
insurance, correct. Insurance sector. And
But you could diversify it for diagnostic purposes.
yes.
That will be much more useful. For example,
Absolutely, we can-
where you have these cultures and all done, takes several hours, even days, so it can be achieved in a few minutes. So that's where actually.
It's a fully autonomous harvesting robot, currently made as a semi-autonomous harvesting robot.
No, okay, I got that. But the control is.
It's,
There with you on the ground.
Yes, there will be a person who
Yeah,
semi-automatically controlling.
So he'll be standing there, no, on the
Yes,
ground.
yes.
And from there he'll be controlling the robo.
Yes.
And robo has been programmed to perform this task.
Yes. Harvesting robot.
You could prepare a small video clipping.
Yes, sir.
This is one of your stories from Nidhi Prayas initiative of the Department of Science and Technology.
Also, sir, this is the first time we are unveiling this and the only model in the world.
So this is DST supported robo climber.
These all are our product. So basically, this is one of our product. This is cow health monitoring system, and in their box we have a activity monitoring device which can put on the cow's neck like that. This is a bed, and this can continuously take the data of the cow, and it can send the data to this gateway. And after that, we train a model that can predict the cow's health, that cow is healthy or not.
And all these chips are designed in house in the IT.
These all are the kids' research.
So are you from IIT?
Yes, sir.
So you have a private partner as well? Have
Yes,
you
sir.
linked up with
Yes, sir.
industry?
We
Who?
have already connected with the salt system as well as.
Sorry, with?
the salt system, sir.
Okay.
And with the Syngenta as well. Both
So
the companies
have they made out a market for you?
Yes, sir. We have a project of 26 crore with them for this particular monitoring device. And also with the salt, we got another 600 crore plus project which we are setting in Ropar itself.
सर ये हमारा इस टाइप का प्रोडक्ट रहेगा। अभी इससे भी छोटा होगा। इसमें क्या है, इमेज कंप्रेशन एल्गोरिदम जो नॉवेल हमने बनाया है, ऑन बोर्ड उसको सर सेटेलाइट को अप टू 80 टाइम्स कंप्रेस करेगा और फिर ट्रांसमिट करेगा। सर जैसे यहाँ पे
में सबसे इशू है बैंडविड्थ का।
का
तो जितना कंप्रेस करेंगे उतना ही कम
सर ये
bandwidth
जैसे
consume
ओरिजिनल
करेगा।
इमेज
वो
हमने
that
ली
is the
थी
objective।
अराउंड 4 MB की है, 4000 किलोबाइट्स की। बीच में ये सर ये हम
ये जो
नैनो सेटेलाइट
ना वो ठीक है, ट्रांसमिशन टाइम कितना रहेगा?
सर ट्रांसमिशन टाइम बहुत कम हो जाएगा। सर
Like
जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल
no, what I'm trying to say is, will it be almost real time?
It can be, yes sir.
Can be.
And अभी
या
अगर-
कुछ सेकंड का
नहीं, कुछ डिले नहीं रहेगा। एक्चुअली जो प्रोसेसिंग में टाइम लगेगा उतना ही लगेगा। बाकी जो कम्युनिकेशन चैनल हम लोग इसको इतना कंप्रेस कर दे रहे हैं ना सर कि कम बैंडविड्थ पर ही बहुत तेजी से ट्रांसमिट होगा।
हाँ।